Good morning, my lovelies. I'm here with the end of the cliffhanger. I promise I didn't forget yesterday. Promise. Anyway, so I'm just putting the final seal onto the tea light holders. They've sat for about a week and then I put the first coat on. I left them 24 hours and now I'm here doing the second coat. And as you can see already, the colours are darkening a lot. It makes such a difference when you put this second seal on. It's unbelievable. And here we are with the final reveal. And just look at the depth of colour in those. Aren't they superb? I'm honestly over the moon with them. I absolutely love eco resin and I do feel it's my favourite medium, to be fair. It's easy, it's quick to cure. It's versatile, and if you didn't catch the making of these, refer back to last Sunday's video where I left everybody on a cliffhanger. Thanks for watching. Bye.